Former Jamaica and West Indies fast bowler Michael Holding has urged Cricket West Indies to do some serious planning during the Covid-19 break. Holding also says he sees some positives from the current Test and ODI teams. Daniel Blake reports.
With the consensus that cricket in the region is dying, the coronavirus pandemic couldn't come at a worse time. Or maybe it came at the perfect time. Jamaica and West Indies legend Michael Holding believes the cricket leaders across the Caribbean should utilize the break to formulate plans to revive the sport.
They can sit down and think to themselves now, how are we going to go forward now when we can play cricket again, when we can tour again? And when I say West Indies Cricket Board, I don't just mean the people that are in Antigua sitting on the board, whatever number of them they are. I'm talking about West Indies Cricket on a whole. The regional boards in Jamaica, Barbados, Trinidad, everybody should be sitting down now and thinking to themselves, how can we plan to go forward? What can we do a little bit better? What can we do differently to make things better going forward? That should not be a problem right now. They have nothing else to do.
Before the halt of cricket, the 66-year-old was pleased with some signs shown by the West Indies Test and ODI team.
I have seen enough talent in that team to give me the idea that yes, if we work hard enough, if we put enough into the infrastructure and the development of these youngsters around the Caribbean, we can get back to where we want to be. And I'm not telling everybody that we will dominate for as long as we did, or even for half the length of time that we did years ago. But no team is doing that now anyway. We just want to get back to a level where everybody is now proud of our West Indies cricket team again, and everybody is fearing playing us.
Meanwhile, Holding, who is regarded as one of the greatest fast bowlers in history, says the modern-day pacers around the world are being overworked. He suggested that they focus on fewer formats of the game to increase their longevity.
Have less cricketers, and especially fast bowlers, playing across the formats, where they'll get a break when they know that one day is coming up. Yeah. They say, yes, we'll have 4 test matches, let me put in everything to these 4 test matches. For the next 3 weeks after that, I won't be playing because the other lads were playing in the ODIs. And so their bodies get a bit more rest. So I think you'll find more fast bowlers willing to put in the extra effort. Because right now I think there are guys out there, Simon, that can bowl faster than what they're actually bowling.
Holding was speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill with Simon Crosskill. Daniel Blake, TVJ Sports.